So after arrival and a day's training, then we went into match day 1 against Moldova. Really competitive team, Moldova. In football they're not as strong, but in futsal they have a very good professional base of players. Their starting 5 pretty much all play professional futsal in neighbouring countries in Romania. Tough match. We got to half-time at 1-1, that's what we asked the players to do, to try and set up the second half, but in the end we just got undone by individual brilliance, to be fair, from some of their players, and we just lost control in some vital moments. But again, to have scored 4 goals against Moldova is a mass improvement on the last time we played them. Day 2 saw us play in Finland, again a really effective, drilled futsal team, all mostly again professional players. They do play futsal over there and have regular camps, regular international friendly matches, and still in the game at half-time at 2-0, but their power and their pace and their just real pure professionalism just unfortunately gave us a disappointing result. And on to game 3, which was Northern Ireland. We felt before we went this was the game that we felt that we should expect ourselves to win. Played each other really recently, and we wanted to rectify that result where we lost 2-0, but the boys applied themselves really well. We had numerous chances to score, and thankfully we did get 3 goals. Ireland made a bit of a comeback at the end, but I felt we were more comfortable this time against them, and we won 3-2. Next steps hopefully there's an international futsal window in April. I'd like to think we can secure a fixture for that, and then the long-term picture will be that this time next year there's now a European qualification starting. Sort of our eyes are already sort of set on that, 12 months away. Can we now make some major steps to get ourselves in a position to try and qualify for the main round?